Dior, why? Where are they all open? Oh dear. Oh my God. I thought they're gonna put the samples inside a small Dior bag, like what they always do. But yeah, it's just scattered everywhere. And I thought all these will be in a, a bigger Dior bag, because I chose the just in a box instead of the gift box, because I had loads of that and I don't want that anymore. So I just chose the eco shipping. But I thought it will be, inside the bag. But yeah, it's just like this. And all the samples, why are they like this? Yeah, why? If they put this inside a small bag, be better. Let's see if I will be happy with the others. Alright, I bought these two just to get this one. Okay, so yeah, I'm disappointed as well, because aside from all open samples, if you buy now at Dior, if I buy this now, I gonna get this one in a miniature, not this 1 ml sample. So yeah, why they just didn't give me this small mini perfume than this one? Oh well, so disappointing shipment. So guys, now if you buy these two, what you're gonna get is this one, which I really like. And then you're gonna get this cracker. And then you're gonna get another mini. And not this 1 ml sample. It's a mini, And me, just because I bought a day before, I only got a sample, and then no bag, all sample open. And yeah, so disappointing. And they're not in a bag. So yeah. Well, okay, this is cracker. And look, it's folded as well. Why is that? Whoever wrapped this, I'm not happy. Oh, dear me, look at that. That's why it's folded there. Why they gave me all this? So disappointing. Look guys, okay, this was closed. I think I just opened it, but it was like that. So they are like this not inside there, and then my star is like that. What, Dior, why? What happened here? So it went through there. Okay, I thought I can give this to, a friend. Give it to my friend, but yeah, how can I give this away if it's like that? Oh dear, dear, dear. Not happy at all. Oh well, I just hope something nice in here. I'll open my Silky Body Mist first, which should be personalized. Okay, that's why it doesn't have a plastic covering, because this is personalized. Let's see. There. Catherine. I thought gonna be a nice lettering as well. Oh well, well, well. This is a 100 ml bottle. Okay, and then this one, Lucky. Expensive perfume. This is personalized as well, so yeah, no plastic or anything at all. This is a 50 ml bottle. And yeah, there's a cat there. Okay, lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Alright. Now, why I bought them? Because of this. Let's see if I'll be happy with this one. Okay, happy with this. Yeah. So, yeah.